This is our 2541, a proven blue water sailboat that's engineered for both long cruises and racing. She's a beautiful and well-maintained sloop-rigged fiberglass yacht with a 5-foot draft that is easy to handle. This 141 has a 2-stateroom, 2-head layout for comfort and privacy, plus an exceptional amount of storage. The stern features transom lockers, a stainless steel swim ladder, and perch seats. Step across the walk-through transom and we're in the roomy cockpit with the wide and comfortable seats and plenty of room to move about with a folding wheel and folding cockpit table. Along with the folding wheel, the helm features Raymarine electronics. For safe passage along the deck, there are vinyl-covered stainless steel double lifelines and many handrails. The foredeck features dual anchor rollers, a large anchor well, and an electric windlass. This yacht has an aluminum mast with in-mast roller furling and stainless steel standing rigging. The interior has a fresh, modern look with plenty of air and light, and it's especially spacious with a headroom of almost 7 feet and a wide beam of 13.3. The main salon features a dinette to port with plenty of comfortable seating and can also be converted into a double berth. The salon also features a flat-screen TV and Bose sound system. To starboard is a comfortable settee with a broad shelf outboard, and just aft is the nav station. The nav station features a large desk, contoured teak seat, and easy access to the electronics. The galley is just starboard of the companionway and is the perfect space for any cook. It is spacious with wide Korean countertops and has many storage cabinets. It features a gimbal 3-burner LPG stove and oven, microwave, as well as a freezer and a fridge. The aft head is just opposite the galley and features a vanity with Korean countertop and plenty of headroom. There is also a private entrance from the aft stateroom. The aft master cabin sits below the cockpit and makes full use of the space with a queen-sized berth. It has several hatches for airflow and light, as well as a vanity to help you look your best. The guest stateroom is all the way forward with a 4-peak head and shower. This room features a double berth with storage underneath, as well as large cedar line hanging lockers. There is also a vanity with a sink and Korean countertop. Further forward is the full head and shower, ensuring privacy for you and your guests. She is powered by a 54 horsepower Yanmar diesel. This 141 is well equipped and has been well maintained over the years. If you are looking for a great boat for cruising with family and friends, this is the one. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.